Nangangailangan ka ba ng himala?
Kita mo na ako?
Nangangailangan ka ba ng breakthrough sa lahat ng bahagi ng buhay mo?
Hindi na.
The answer is here. In 9 days, Oras ng Himala will celebrate its 32nd year Living Like Jesus anniversary this coming March 27 and March 28 at the Ministries Worship Center and on March 30 at Marikina Sports Center. At kayo'y mag-expect na dakila ang gagawin ng Diyos dahil ang kanyang kapangyarihan ay walang limitasyon at ang pag-ibig niya ay walang hanggan. Halika na, invite and prepare to encounter the God who is capable to do all kinds of miracles. Magkita-kita tayo in 9 days.